have it. I hope you enjoyed that bit of a medley between God Rest You Merry Gentlemen and Sing We Now of Christmas. I actually took two different arrangements and combined them together to make whatever that was. The original arrangement was by Melody Boba for God Rest You Merry Gentlemen and Kathleen Massoud for Sing We Now of Christmas. I so hope you enjoyed it and have a very Merry Christmas.